Yet again, gold and silver failed to break past the support and trying to trade with a rise. Now, what is going to happen today? Which position we should take in order to make profits? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do listen to it carefully and do watch till the end. Next analysis on gold will be up just before the US cash session, along with Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones. Do watch that also. Let's start the day with gold first, trading at 1768. Now look at the hourly charts. The support there at 1755 is so strong. It tried to break past this. Now it is again trying to rise. So see, if you look at this, the drop started from here, then a retracement, then a drop, now trying to rise. So what I'll be looking forward to, yes, you are right. If it breaks past 1770 levels again, you can go long, but be watchful of 1775, and beyond that definitely one can expect it to achieve the double top at least, and in fact beyond levels are can also be expected, but be cautious and be watchful. Now also look at the nearest support here. The nearest support now here is at around 1764 level, so be watchful of 1764. And now if you look at this, it will try to first achieve 1770, and beyond that, see, one possibility that on the hourly chart it may form a head and shoulders and drop from there, but then if it comes downside, be watchful of 1764. Above 1770 levels, possibility exists that it may try to achieve the zone at 1774, and beyond that it is going to fly till towards 1780. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD is bullish, RSI is also looking upwards, indicating little bullishness. Look at the 2-hour charts. Similarly, on the 2-hour charts, taking the support from 1764 levels, it is trying to rise. I will be watchful of 1770. Beyond that, 1774, I will be looking forward to this. And after that, definitely we may see a good rally again, taking it towards 1780 and 1791 levels. Bullish directional movement. Stochastic is also looking upwards. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This is going to be a bullish crossover. We may see some good bullish moves if it crosses over and sustains. RSI is also indicating bullishness there. On the 3-hour chart, similarly, look at this. After one minor retracement candle, it is trying to rise again. The 20-period moving average coming here and the 50-period moving average coming here at almost 1770 level. So yes, 1770 and 1774 you have to be watchful. Beyond that, definitely it will try to hit 1780, and in fact it can try to achieve 1790 and 1800 if it continues to trade bullish. If not today, by tomorrow possibly it may try to achieve. Directional movement again crossing over for a bullish move. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD is converging. It is trading in the sell side right now. It is trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move. RSI is looking upwards. So most indication, as I say, it is looking forward to an upward move. Now look at the 4-hour chart. So similar size of candle will appear after such candle. Definitely it is trying to give you similar size of candle. 1770 is the good resistance. Beyond 1770, if it trades, possibility exists that we may see it hitting 1778 80 zone, and then beyond 1780 also it can fly strongly on the upside. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is looking upwards. MACD is willing to converge and crossover. Right now it is on the sell side, and RSI is also looking upwards now. Similarly, if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, look at the last 2 candles, lower highs, and see the lows there on the daily charts well connected, and this time it is trying to come out of it. 1764 is the level you have to be watchful of, plus minus $0.51. You should always keep it as, you know, the margin of error there, and that is why 1764 and 1763, these 2 levels you have to be cautious, and till the time it trades above, possibility exists that first thing is it may form a double top, taking it till towards 1774-75. Once it trades above 1775, there is a strong possibility that it can try to achieve. This is a 50-period moving average coming at 1780 and 1780 to 83 zone. So yes, it can show you a rise till there. You can stay long with the stop loss at 1764-63. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is still bullish here on the daily charts, and the RSI is comfortable. So now you must be understanding that you have to remain long till the time it trades above 1764-63. First target at 1770, next 1774. Beyond that, 1780 and 82 level should get achieved. And if it trades beyond, we can expect it to hit 1790 levels. So trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the other hand giving you lower highs and the flat bottom out there. So again you should be watchful of 1998 levels, only breaking which, rather I will say you have to keep a little bit of support there. So yes, I will say 1995 is the level. If you see it trading below 1995, again 1990 will come into picture, and below that it may break. Now you see it is giving you lower highs, and if it breaks past 2010 you can go long, but look at this, this is the resistance here at 2014 level. So 2014 should be a strong resistance. We will try to find out more in detail now. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic is comfortable, MACD is on green side, RSI is flat. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, similarly on the 2-hour charts, lower highs is what we can see, and hence if you see it trading beyond this zone at 2005, now you can go long 2005, or rather I will say 2008. Yes, beyond that you can expect it to hit 2015 levels and 2020 levels. So beyond 2020 it can definitely fly high. The support there at 1997, 98 is strong, and 1990 is strong. Be watchful there. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is also bullish but trying to converge. Let's see if it crosses over. MACD has just crossed over and it is trading with very little divergence. RSI is flat on the 3-hour chart. Similarly, if you look at lower highs are done, it is failing to go past this zone, and hence be watchful of 2010, and on the downside be watchful of 1995 levels. So in between 2010 and 1995 do not trade. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic is comfortable, MACD is in sell side trying to converge, RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour charts, lower highs, lower lows, and hence once it breaks past the next candle, if you see it trading beyond this zone 2005 or 2010, you can go long and then probably expect it to hit 2015 and 2020. 2015 and 2020 are definitely a very strong resistance. Look at also these candles indicating a probable reversal. However, right now it is trying to give you another sideways candle before it gives you another bullish candle of the similar size. So here almost it has achieved 15 points. So hence yes, if you count from 2005, you can expect it to give another 15 points, which will make it till towards 2020. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking upwards, MACD trying to converge, RSI trading flat. So on the daily charts, if you look at on the daily charts now, see on the daily charts you have to be cautious of this zone at 2010 2012. So even if you try to take a long and take 2005, you have to be cautious of 2010 2012 levels, then 2015 2020. If it trades beyond 2020, definitely we can say strong bullishness will be there, and we can see another rise which might take it till towards 2040 levels. On the downside, now be watchful of 1998, 95, 90 levels. Below 1990, you can expect it to come back to 1980 levels. So in sum, it appears that it is going to, right now it is largely indecisive, but see the stochastic is comfortable, the MACD is in green trying to converge, RSI trading flat here, and hence you can expect it to achieve 2010 2012 levels. In fact 2015 levels or 2020 can also be expected. So yes, you can go long at 2005. Beyond 2005, as I said, you can expect 2010 2012 15 20. So till 2020 it can reverse any point of time, and any movement beyond 2020 is a good indication that it is going to rise. On the downside, you can go short at 1995, but be watchful of 1990, very strong support, and then 1980. In between 1995 and 2005, do not trade. Rather, I will say be cautious in between these 10 points. On the upside, see there are resistances at 2010 12 15 20 levels. So beyond 2020 only one can expect that it is going to give you a bullish move, and then one can expect that it may rise strongly on the upside. So it has got nearby resistances. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a strict stop loss. On the downside, if you are long, you have to put your stop loss, keep shifting your stop loss at cost. And yes, 1995 is a good stop loss if you are long, and if you are short, 2005 should be a good stop loss, but only short at 1995, only go long at 2005. So take your positions accordingly, trade profitably. Join my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on 8th of August. I think hardly a couple of seats left, the team will tell, but you can reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much.